Exploring perspectives, understanding point of view in creative writing. Hello, and welcome to another video on improving your creative writing skills. Today, we will be delving into a critical aspect of storytelling, the point of view. This concept shapes how a story is told, affecting the depth of characters, plot progression, and overall tone. By understanding and mastering different points of view, you can elevate your writing and better engage your audience. At its core, the point of view in creative writing is the perspective from which a story is told. It determines who is telling the story and how much they know. There are primarily three types: first person, second person, and third person. The first-person point of view involves the use of I or we. The story is narrated by a character within the story, and as such, the audience experiences the events, thoughts, and emotions from this character's perspective. This point of view can create an intimate and personal narration. The second-person point of view is less commonly used but can create a unique narrative. This perspective uses you, making the reader the protagonist of the story. It's as if the narrator is speaking directly to the reader, which can lead to a more immersive and interactive experience. The third-person point of view uses he, she, it, or they. This perspective can be broken down into two subcategories: third-person limited and third-person omniscient. In third-person limited, the story is told from a specific character's viewpoint, but the narrator is not part of the story. In third-person omniscient, the narrator knows and can reveal any character's thoughts, feelings, and motives. This point of view allows for a broader understanding of the story's characters and events. The point of view is a powerful tool in creative writing, influencing how the audience perceives and engages with your story. By understanding and strategically utilizing different points of view, you can greatly enhance the depth and complexity of your storytelling. Remember, the choice of point of view can significantly change the reader's experience, so choose wisely. I hope this video has been helpful, and happy writing to you all.